advancements in live streaming capabilities, with improved video quality, interactive features, and enhanced real-time engagement. Users will be able to host live events, collaborate with others, and participate in virtual communities, fostering a sense of connection and shared experiences. 8. Voice-activated social media. As voice-activated technology continues to advance, social media platforms may incorporate voice assistants and commands into their functionalities. Users could navigate their feeds, post updates, and interact with content simply by using their voice. This trend would offer convenience and accessibility for those who prefer a hands-free experience. Voice-activated social media has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with platforms, making them more inclusive and user-friendly. 9. Personalized and customizable experiences. In the future, social media platforms may focus on providing highly personalized and customizable experiences for users. With the help of AI and machine learning, platforms could analyze user behavior, preferences, and interests to curate content specifically tailored to each individual. Users may have more control over their feeds, choosing the topics and types of content they want to see. Customizable features such as themes, layouts, and filters may also be introduced to enhance user engagement and self-expression. 10. Collaborative and socially conscious communities. Social media has the power to bring people together, fostering communities and connections across the globe. In the future, we can expect social media platforms to encourage collaboration and social consciousness. Users may be able to join forces on social causes, participate in virtual volunteering, and support charitable initiatives directly through the platforms. Social media will continue to evolve as a force for positive change, promoting activism and social responsibility. 11. Integration of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, known for its transparency and security, may find its way into social media platforms in the future. With blockchain integration, users can have greater control and ownership over their data, ensuring that their personal information is secure and cannot be tampered with. Additionally, blockchain can enhance trust and authenticity on social media, reducing the prevalence of fake accounts and misinformation. This integration may pave the way for a more decentralized and user-centric social media landscape. 12. Enhanced accessibility features. Inclusive design and accessibility are vital considerations for social media platforms. In the future, we can expect platforms to invest more in accessibility features, making social media accessible to people of all abilities. This could include features such as image alt text, closed captioning for videos, and improved screen reader compatibility. By prioritizing accessibility, social media platforms can ensure that everyone can participate and engage in the digital conversation. 13. The rise of niche social media platforms. As social media becomes more saturated with a variety of content, users are seeking platforms that cater specifically to their interests and passions. In the future, we can expect to see the rise of niche social media platforms that target specific communities or industries. These platforms will provide a more tailored experience for users, allowing them to connect with like-minded individuals and engage in conversations relevant to their niche. From platforms dedicated to food enthusiasts to those focused on sustainable living, niche social media platforms will offer a more specialized and curated experience. 14. Integration of social media and gaming. The intersection of social media and gaming has already begun, but the future holds even more potential for integration. Gaming communities thrive on social platforms, with players sharing their experiences, strategies, and achievements. In the future, we can anticipate social media platforms incorporating gaming features, such as game streaming, in-platform tournaments, and interactive gaming experiences.